And yeah, she also has a channel. Make sure you subscribe to it and go comment on her latest video, Slime Time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She said.
She's never gonna know why you guys are gonna comment that.
God. Why?
Oh, you're really confused? That was just a joke. Okay. Alright. Today we're gonna do Don't Choose the Wrong sparkling ice. So a lot of these guys are regular ice. Ice basically is just like a carbonated drink, kind of like soda. So yeah, but a lot of these have the regular drink in them and a lot of them have glue in them. And we're gonna want the ones with we want the most glue so we can make the best slime, guys. And looking at these, I cannot tell whatsoever what it is. Like these like all look like the complete same. Like it's weird. But anyways, let's get started on into the video. Yo. I'm first. No, we gotta do rock, paper, scissors. Okay, I would let you go first, but rock, paper, scissors is funner, so yeah. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Dang. Yes.
Wait, one question.
What?
Can I drink it if it's the drink?
Yeah, I mean
a little bit.
Drink it to see if it's glue or ice,
no,
you know?
No. Choose that one.
What is it?
I don't know. We'll find out. It looks, I don't know. Should I drink it?
Yeah.
I don't want, I'm scared.
Oh, it's glue!
I'm glad I didn't drink it. It really,
pretty.
And it smelled like the drink.
All right, my turn. This one, no. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, let's see. Is it ice or is it glue?
You should try it. No, maybe it's not. I got.
It's glue. It smells like ice, guys. Smell it. Yeah, doesn't it smell like ice?
Right?
Yeah.
It does.
Okay. Whoa, that is so weird. It smells exactly like this one's orange, or this one's actually grapefruit. It smells like grapefruit. Alrighty, guys. I got glue. I'm winning so far.
I got glue too. I'm winning so far. My turn.
It's a tie.
This one. I think this is glue. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Are you excited for me?
Looks like orange
Yeah,
juice.
this one's more like, it seems thicker.
Okay, my turn. We're gonna just close my eyes this time. This one. What is it? Oh! No! Oh, whoa, you guys see that? Did you see that?
It's not glue, guys.
Well, I guess I have to put it in my slime.
Let me make a little bit.
Strawberry kiwi.
Oh my god, so good.
This slime is gonna smell good. I wonder, you guys think it's gonna get bad? Usually when you put food inside slime, it gets bad, but this doesn't have any sugar or like anything. It has no calories, sugar, or any nutrition in it. So I wonder if it's gonna get bad. Round 3, go mom. No, you know what we should do, guys? We should get them both at the same time and open them both at the same time. Make sure to close your eyes. Let's do this. Okay. All right, ready? Close your eyes, let's go.
Okay, I grabbed mine. Do you have yours?
Mm-hmm.
Do we open our eyes now?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Alrighty.
I got it.
Oh, I got another one.
I think this is glue.
That's not fair. It's such a pretty color too. It's so good. I am really curious to see if this is gonna get bad or something, because I'm gonna keep these. Round 4. Okay, go. Go. Take this one.
I got glue again. Kind of want some. This is really good.
Did you really get the glue version of that? She got the glue version. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. Pina colada.
Wait, give me.
Oh, I'm sorry, mom.
Oh,
Here you go.
thank you.
Round 5. Let's do this. Go, go, go.
Oh. Okay, I know what this is. Oh.
Again, guys, I've only gotten 2. Was it 2?
Oh my gosh.
I've only gotten 1 glue. The rest are all drinks.
Wait, I want some.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is so. You want some? It's good. But it's very.
You're just like Halloween. Round 6, go! Got mango orange. It's glue. Oh my gosh, thank gosh, guys.
Mine's glue too.
I only have 2 glues and everything else is the soda. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Looks cool. Okay, round 7. This is mango. Oh no, this is peach.
Ooh.
Yes, it's glue.
This is not glue.
Love glue.
I hope.
Yes, thank goodness. I have 3 glues now and the rest are drinks. Okay, round 8. Yeah, 8. Okay, let's go. Go. Ooh, this one's really bright.
It's not fair. Now I'm getting all the drinks.
It's glue. Yes.
Ooh, this was pretty good.
Yeah, I tried it. Oops. This is looking interesting.
Yeah, just like me.
This one is so pretty though. Okay guys, I'm finally getting glues. I am so happy I have 4 glues and 4 drinks. Round 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I got a drink again. It's okay. At least I have some glues.
Okay, this is too cool.
Alright guys, so we decided that we're just gonna add it here. We're gonna try and activate this like this, and we're gonna have a little bonus round at the end with these bottles and maybe something extra, I don't know. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, I think mine's just probably gonna become orange because it's pretty orange as is.
Look at mine. It has like
yours
different
literally
colors.
looks like Halloween. Like that's like a Halloween drink. Honestly, I wanna drink
That's
it.
cool.
But
All
I
right,
can't.
let's
It
see
probably
what
tastes good,
happens.
right?
Yeah, you wanna try it?
No. I am excited to see what texture this is gonna have because I don't know, I feel like it'll have a cool texture since it's like a carbonated drink with glue, and I'm excited. Okay, what about you, Mom? Yours is turning like a brownish, like a maroon red color, I think.
Look at this.
What the heck?
What is this? This is already turning into slime?
What the heck? That's not mine.
weird.
Okay, I think mine's mixed. Now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. Today, guys, we're gonna be using Tide to activate because we just felt like it. So yeah, we're gonna be using the clear one. Simply Free and Sensitive.
It's gonna be very clean.
Okay. Oh no, my fork. Oh, my fork, guys. We're just gonna pour that all in there.
Do you think
Hopefully
this is
it will activate?
to do something?
Okay, so it seems like it's activating. I think I'm gonna need a lot more Tide though. It smells so good though.
What are you doing?
I'm taking out the slime that's activated and I'm putting it on the side so that,
that's
oh my
smart.
gosh, it looks like guts. Oh! Uh-oh, guys. What did we do? Are you peeing?
I'm sorry. I couldn't make it to the bathroom.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we activate that, we take it out.
Oh gosh.
This was such a terrible idea.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, so we had a catastrophe. It was a giant mess and we cleaned a lot and there is still a mess. But anyways guys, we decided to switch to borax because we thought maybe the Tide was the problem, and it was. This is what happened when we used the Tide, and this also, ooh, oh no. Anyways, we switched to borax and it got a lot better, guys. It's still very jiggly and kind of sticky, and Mom's is very soapy. She put a lot more Tide than me, so she's got a lot more soap.
But it's not bad after we did that.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're finally done, guys. Here is the finished product. Mine is so weird. It has like such a weird, thick, jiggly texture to it. It is so weird. Like, I don't even know. It is like so weird, guys. It's like jiggly but thick at the same time. I don't even understand.
Does yours smell good? Because mine smells
Smells
delicious.
amazing.
Like so
Like
good.
oranges.
Yes.
What? This is so weird, guys, because I had so much soda on mine. I thought it was gonna become really thin, but like, this is crazy. I don't know what happened. What the heck? It's actually really nice. I cannot wait for this to clear up and for like a week to pass by so I can see if this will stay like good and like it won't rot, or like if it will clear up or something. And yeah. Mom, what happened to yours?
Well, pretty cool. Look. I like it. And the smell, amazing. Guys, see the liquid over here? But other than the liquid, it's pretty cool. It's nice.
Yeah, yours is super bubbly. She put so much Tide and then she finally gave up and put borax. And so
I like
now
it.
hers
It's pretty
is, like,
soft too.
Yours is like really thick too. It's less jiggly than mine, I feel like.
Yeah,
It's like more firm. All right, guys, I think it is time to do some ASMR. I go first. Ha. I go second. Ha.
Nope.
Okay,
It's
go.
mine.
Let's see over here. Here's my slime. As you can see, it's very weird. It's like almost like kind of like a fluffy slime. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try and make a bubble. Oh, it was kind of there. I kind of halfway did it. Let's try again. All right, let's do it again.
Yay!
Oh, I made a bubble. Okay, well, this is very, very, very hard to make bubbles out of this slime, guys. So, yeah. But it is very jiggly thick, and I like it.
My turn. Okay, ASMR.
Oh, yours is so weird.
It like starts getting like thinner over here. You watch. Do it over here and then over here.
Well, that's because it's not mixed, Mom.
No. What do you think's gonna happen to this one? Is it gonna clear up?
Probably.
Make a bubble. Because I'm the expert. Mm-hmm. See?
Yay!
Another one.
Wait.
Oh. I don't know. It looks like when
you were supposed to wait for the bubble to come up.
But it looks like when they're making like bread or something.
That's some weird bread.
Okay, let me try again. One more time. Last time. Ameerah, watch.
Oh, yeah, we did it. Well, I mean, you did it. All right, guys, now it's time for the bonus round. Okay, so Paul added some glitter into the bottles, and he added some other bottles too. Some with glue, some with water, and now we're gonna go ahead and just do the same thing, except it's gonna be with glitter, and it's a bonus round. So yeah, let's do it. Okay,
I'm excited.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Dang it!
My turn! Me first! What is this? What is this? Looks like water. Oh.
But you got sparkles. That one was like the prettiest
Oh, that's pretty.
one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Okay, my turn. This one? Ooh, this looks weird. It looks
Oh
cool.
my goodness. I want that one. It's so pretty.
It's glue. Yes. Oh, and it has a lot of glitter in it. Pink. I thought it was purple.
My turn. That one.
Ooh, it has gold glitter in it.
It's glue.
Yeah, whatever.
What would happen if you choose no glue at all?
You wouldn't make any slime?
Aww.
Okay, my turn. I'll take this one. It seems very interesting. Black with gold glitter.
Is that water?
It's water. But whatever, it looks cool. It's fine. I'll have a jiggly slime. Doesn't matter.
My turn. So it's between gold and
Orange holographic.
orange holographic. What is? Wait.
I think that's soda. I think there was one more soda probably from the because we added some, so there's probably still another soda.
I guess I can't drink it this time.
Well, you could.
Guess I'll drink glitter.
Okay, I guess I'll just take this one then. It's glue! Yes!
Oh my goodness, that's pretty.
Oh, it's so pretty. It has so much glitter in it.
Wonder what this is gonna turn into.
Yeah. I am excited to see mine because it looks really cool. Look at it. It's like so dark and pretty. Okay, guys, now it's time to activate. You think we could use Tide this time? I don't know.
Try.
All right, let's mix it. Let's see how it might look. Oh, that's interesting. The yellow is actually showing.
Oh, that's pretty.
Okay, this is the weirdest color ever, but
I like it.
whatever. It looks cool with all the glitter and stuff. Okay, how's yours look?
Mine looks like water, but pretty water.
Okay, now it's time to activate. Let's try Tide. I'm gonna put a little bit to see if it will work this time, since this time it doesn't have the soda, it has water. Okay, yeah, it's working a lot better on this one. Ooh, yeah. Is it working? I think it is.
I don't know, Ameerah. Look at mine.
What? Oh yeah, it's pretty.
No, I'm saying it's not working very well.
Oh, I thought it was pretty.
No, it's pretty.
It looks like it's just doing pretty good.
It's pretty, but I think I need to put the whole bottle.
Well, you did get soda though. You should have put the borax.
5 hours later.
Alright guys, look at how nice my slime is.
Look at how nice my slime is.
Alright guys, here's my slime. I'm gonna name it Oscar the Grouch. It really reminds me of that, or maybe the Grinch or something like that, because it really looks like that. But yeah, here's the slime. It actually turned out pretty good. Look at it.
I like the Grinch.
It's very weird, honestly. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed me. Comment below if you want to that is the least. Hope we see you next time. Bye!